What's up, YouTube? Zanrith here, coming at you with a video that will answer a few questions for you guys on YouTube and Instagram. That question is, what is my Motovlog setup? So this right here is my HJC CL17 matte black helmet with the dark smoke and a little scratch visor. Now that was last year's helmet. Then to the right that you've already seen is my new Shoei RF-1200 matte black again, and right now I just have the clear visor on it. I haven't picked up a tinted or a mirror visor. So this will be this year's helmet, and it's going to be what we're going to motovlog on all this year, so I can keep making you guys some content, having adventures, and have a better ride. So why the change in helmet? A lot of people are going to ask. Shoei's more top of the line. It's got better ratings online, and it's supposed to be quieter, and I do a lot of highway riding, so I was hoping to keep the noise down and maybe help protect the microphone and some of the sound for you guys as well. Also supposed to have better airflow, so keep me cooler on hot days. So let's dive right into this, get right into what this thing takes to make my motovlogs. So on this side, if we can get this camera to focus, I've got a GoPro Hero 4 Black, which is an out-of-date camera, but works with the setup I have. Now on the back of this GoPro, if I can get it off of here easily. Come on, there we go. The back of my GoPro is the Sena Bluetooth pack, and it's in a special housing that comes just for that. This Sena Bluetooth pack connects directly to the GoPro via this connector and allows any audio from your Sena microphone be picked up on this camera. Using the Sena mesh network, which I don't think is how they call it, I think it's just a comlink system for these. Anyway, I can connect Heather, and then in the last video you guys heard the third person, that was Courtney. We can all talk into the Sena itself, and it'll record all of our voices. Now the Sena that I have on this side is just the Sena 20S. Again, it's an older model, but it was the top of the line when I bought it, so we're sticking with it for now until we need a new one. Now, the only way to record through this is a microphone, which if I can get the lighting right, have one attached right in there. That's all it is. It comes with the Sena. It's velcroed right into the inside of my helmet, right at mouth level. And you guys can hear me. Man, I can hit my camera with my helmet. So that's it, guys. Full face helmet, a Sena, the backpack, the GoPro. And all Heather's running is my old GoPro Hero 3. That's where you get her videos from. And coming up, hopefully, I can get the Hero 5 sessions in, and we can get some even more footage for you guys. So that's my motovlog setup. If you guys have any more questions, throw them in the comments. I'll answer them as we go. If not, we'll see you in the next video. Later.